Hello everyone! Volume 2 of your Music Theory Workbook begins with Unit 14, which is a review of all the tonal concepts introduced in the first book. In this lesson, we will review the fingerboard map. In the first book, you learned that there are 7 natural notes. And when we talk about the term natural, we are clarifying that the note is neither sharp nor flat. When we write these 7 notes out on a string diagram, you'll notice immediately that they are not equally spaced. Some notes like B and C and E and F are separated by a half step, which has no note in between them. All of the other notes are separated by whole steps, which each have a space in between them. These natural notes, separated by a whole step, have a sharp and a flat name in between them. This relationship between the sharp and flat note is called enharmonic. Enharmonic notes have different names and they look different on the staff, but they are played the same way and they sound the same. To determine the enharmonic equivalent of a given note, you need to think about where it is on the string. For example, A flat is a half step lower than A and a half step higher than G, so the enharmonic equivalent of A flat is G sharp. To complete a chromatic fingerboard map, follow these 3 easy steps. First, fill in the names of all the natural notes. Make sure that you pay attention and do not put any spaces in between the natural half steps E and F and B and C. Then, write diagonal lines in all of the remaining non-natural spaces. And finally, write in the sharp and flat names of those enharmonic notes. Now read Lesson 14.1 in your workbook and complete the exercises for this lesson. If you need further review of these concepts, we encourage you to check out the tutorial videos for Unit 5. In the next lesson, we review writing chromatic scales. My name is Christopher Selby. Thank you for watching this tutorial on music theory for the successful string musician.